Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on how to create a kitty themed desk organizer using empty plastic bottles. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. To start, we will need 3 empty plastic boxes. We will cover them with white paper and add pink border on the top and bottom. Now it's time to create the kitty face. For this, we will use silver and pink glitter foam sheets. For the eyes, you can use ready-made ones or cut them from black and white paper. Use black paper to make kitty's moustaches. Just paste all the pieces together to create a cute kitty face. Next, draw the kitty's tail on a foam sheet and cut it out. Then, draw the paws on a pink sheet and cut out 4 pieces. We will then take a cardboard and cover it with pink sheet to make the base of our organizer. Finally, we will paste all these pieces on the base. To make it even more adorable, I'll teach you how to add some pink dots to the kitty's face using an earbud. Now you have your very own kitty themed desk organizer, and I hope you had fun making it with me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more creative and fun ideas like this. Thank you. Bye bye.